Okay. Good morning, boys. Today is our first introductory class of English language, Standard 9. And today we will discuss the pattern of question paper. Now, since you all know that you are going to appear for the boards, class 9 boards, ICSE is going to set the questions, and so you should be very particular about the preparations for your forthcoming board exams. But then we don't need to panic. Class 9 English language syllabus is very easy, and most of the parts of speech we have already covered in standard 7 and 8. Now I will tell you how to go about it. Question number 1, generally question number 1, they ask essay writing. This is very important, and we have been writing essays for quite some time now. Now essays, you will be given at least 5 choices. You have to attempt any one. And when it comes to essay writing, we will be discussing how to write essays. There are 5 types of compositions, and we will be discussing each and every type. But first of all, we should know that what is the pattern of the question paper. So essay writing is very important. Question number 2 will be letter writing. Let me tell you one thing, in letter writing they will give you 2 letters, and out of those 2 letters you have to attempt any one. Right from class 6 we know formal letters and informal letters. So in the exam they will ask one formal and one informal letter. Here also you have to attempt any one. You have to pay attention. Letter writing is also very easy. We will be discussing letter writing when we meet again. But today I am here just to convince you that class 9 English language is very easy and very scoring. You just have to practice a little bit every day. Now comes question number 3. Question number 3 is also very easy. We all know how to write a notice and how to write an email. Of course, we are going to do notice writing and email writing once again in standard 9. As per the LOD of standard 9, the level of difficulty of standard 9 will increase. Notice writing and email writing. Boys, you should know that this question number 3 contains 2 questions, and both questions are mandatory. You have to attempt both questions. Attempt both questions. This is very important. This is very important. I have been correcting the answer scripts of standard 9 students, and in the past I have seen that some of them commit very silly mistakes, and some of them attempt any one. Either they do notice or they do email, but it is clearly mentioned in the question paper that you have to attempt both questions. Notice writing, you have to write. Email writing, you have to write. Notice an email should be short and crisp and to the point. Whatever is given in the question, you try to take out vital informations from the given question and then chalk it out and then attempt the questions. So essay writing, you will be getting 5 choices. Letter writing, you will be getting 2 choices. Attempt any one. And notice and email, you have to do. You must do notice writing and email writing. Okay? Now, the fourth question is the most important question. Question number 4 will be comprehension. Comprehension means an unseen passage. Okay? Any unseen passage may come from any nook and corner of the world. You have to read the unseen passage twice. What you have to do is read the unseen passage twice, underline the difficult words, and try to figure out the meanings. All you have to do is to understand. Comprehension means to comprehend. You have to comprehend the unseen passage. Once you have comprehended the unseen passage, it will become very easy for all of you to attempt all the questions which will be asked in context. Questions will be asked in context of the unseen passage. Generally 20 marks questions or 15 marks questions will be asked from comprehension. And last but not the least, this part is grammar part. In grammar, there is no particular specified syllabus. You should be well versed with all parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, etc. And you should be well versed with direct and indirect speech. And then you have to make sure that whatever you have read in standard 7 and 8, all those things are going to play a vital role in the syllabus of standard 9. Okay? And there will be a few more grammatical questions containing in context of verbs and all. Those are very easy, and we are going to discuss each and everything one by one. Is it clear to all of you? So, by and large, you have got 5 questions to attempt, and by and large, you have to make sure that you don't leave any question. Try to complete all questions in time. Now let me tell you one thing. Question number 1, as I told you, question number 1 was essay writing. In essay writing, you are supposed to finish the essay in 20 to 25 minutes. At most, if you want to stretch, take 30 minutes. Don't cross your limits, because this is the time limit. If you are exceeding 30 minutes, taking 35 or 40 minutes in essay writing itself, then at last you are surely going to miss out the grammar portion, or maybe you are going to miss out the comprehension portion. you must make sure that you complete the questions within the specified time limit. Whatever time limit is given to you, try to complete it within the specified time limit. Now, when it comes to letter writing, in letter writing, you have got formal or informal letters. You will be taking 15 minutes. If you want to stretch it, at most, you take 20 minutes. Because time management is very important. I think that is the most important part in English language. Time management. You have to manage your time. You have to manage your time. In question number 3, you have got one notice to write and one email to write. So one notice writing and one email writing. You have to complete notice writing and email writing. You have to complete. Notice writing and email writing. You have to finish within 20 minutes. Try to finish it in 15 minutes.